What's going on, YouTube? Coming back at you with another video. Okay, so we got Jay Prince. He is reacting and speaking on that clip of those kids mobbing that poor girl in Crown Heights, Brooklyn, and robbing her. Also, he's talking to DABABY about the situation that we've seen recently where DABABY put hands on that female at his show. I'm gonna show you what he put up. So he got the clip, getting them kids mobbing that poor girl. He said, "I don't know if you boys think this is the new trend to be putting y'all hands on females. Let me just tell y'all, this is weak shit, and men don't act this way or allow boys to act this way in their presence. Which simply means every man that's comfortable in his body, being a man, needs to kick every boy in their ass on the spot in unison that participate in weak shit like this. Some of you so-called men see this kind of abuse taking place and turn your head as if you don't see it. Let me just say, this is the reason it keeps evolving, because men are afraid to hold boys accountable for their actions. To the real men that's left on this planet, let's not live in fear. There are some things in life worth dying for, and protecting our women from weak shit like this is at the top of the list. And to the little homie, DABABY, I got love for you, but I can't discriminate because you're a celebrity. If you felt like slapping somebody, you should have slapped one of them security men that was with you, that wasn't doing their job." So he's got a strong message. I agree with everything he's saying in this, and even more so from people being scared to, defend women, defend people on the street, whatever the case may be. It's to the point where people don't even think about that. Their first thought is, let me pull out my phone and start recording. Like, what in the hell is going on? Had I seen some shit like that, I would have tried to intervene in some kind of way. There's no way that I'm going to sit there and watch a poor, defenseless young girl get stomped and mobbed by a group of teens. It's just not going to happen. Even if I had to put myself in danger, whatever the case may be, that's what I'm going to do. A lot of people, though, are just going to stand there and pull their phone out and say world star or whatever the fuck else they be saying. This shit is crazy. This is the society we live in. People see you laying on the street, dying. They'll pull out their phone and record you before they pick up the phone and call 911. Crazy situation with DABABY. I can feel, where he was coming from as far as he felt like he was violated, so then he went on to violate her. The problem is, she's a female. Don't get me wrong, I do feel like in certain situations, if a woman, a girl, whatever the case may be, is being on some super physical shit, they're trying to really hurt you, you got to defend yourself. You got to do what you got to do. This was not one of those situations, though. So in my eyes, DABABY gets no pass. Let me know what you guys think, though. I appreciate you watching. Hit the like, subscribe, share, leave some feedback. Make sure you ring the notification bell, too, if you're subscribed. I appreciate you. Peace.